Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple level based on the assets we already have. But before we get started, we're going to add a sound effect for the player. So when he picks up a hamburger, he makes a laughing sound, so we know the power up is picked up. Go to player, click audio source, add an audio source, and then go to the voices SFX, humans, pick up the human good 30, drag and drop into the audio clip. Now we have to make this run from the script. So let's add a audio source player, public audio source as player, okay, and this will be played when the player picks up a power up. So inside the hit.color.tag equals power up, player will make a sound. Go back, choose player. You can see the player is here. We're going to be using this audio source. Make sure it's not going to play on awake, so uncheck that box and drag and drop the player. Or you can use the get component within the script as well. Now let's see how it's going to happen. We're going to shot, and then the player is going to go and pick up the power up. Yeah, he left. It was kind of hard to see from all the noise from the robot, but you can still hear it. Now, another thing I did in this part is I went to the barrels of the robot and I slightly rotated them. So for the barrel 1, the Y angle is going to be 5. For the barrel 2, it's -5. So he shoots a little bit more accurate this way. And just apply these changes. Now we're going to add some texture for the floor. Go to the sci-fi textures we already downloaded before and pick up one that you like. I personally like the floor text 606. Now we have to make this tile. Okay, we need to wrap this tile several times because it's a very big plane. And also I want to make the level a bit bigger, so I'm gonna make the scale by 4 by let's say 10 from here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the material, and the tiling will be 4 by, not this one, sorry, this tiling here, 4 by 10. And game window, it still looks too big, so I'm gonna double it. I'm gonna make it 8 by 20, and this way it looks a little bit better. And another thing I'm going to change is I'm going to get the main camera under the player. And I don't want to use a skybox. I want to use a solid color. And the solid color will be dark, because it's kind of a dark environment. Or you can make it maybe reddish, or something like that. That's up to you. And I'm going to also change the light a little bit. Right now it's a really light color, but I want it to be a little bit more, maybe some greenish, so it gives us some bunker feeling, or maybe reddish, even better. So these robots have taken over, and we have to fight them in a more intense environment. Okay, now we have to add some more walls and some more enemies. So I'm going to just create some rooms here. So let's get this door here. Okay, and then this time the door will be here maybe. And then let's bring some walls. Right, I mean, this is, at this point, it's just repetition a little bit. Okay. And then in this room, I will have some vertically aligned walls. Right? And then another one here, but this time the door is on the other side. And when we get to reach here, we're going to finish the level. So I will, let's put a different, maybe let's just put a cube there that is by 4 by 4 by 4, so 0. Okay, right here. And let's make it look like it's some kind of a elevator, like in the Doom games. It's there. So when we touch that, the level is gonna end. And then we need to also implement some robots now, enemies. So let's go ahead and choose the enemy prefab and Control D or Command D. You can add several of them. So let's add one here, and then maybe let's add another one. 90-degree angle minus 90-degree angle on the Y. Zero. And in the last part, we're gonna have 2 of these guys. It's gonna be difficult. And let's play our level. I'm gonna make it maximize screen. It runs a little slow because I'm also doing screen recording. And when we get to this box, the game will load the next level. And I'm going to show you the scene management in the next video. Thanks for watching.